Some mountains are beautiful, some are sacred, and some are feared. In the far north of Israel rises a silent giant of stone, Mount Hermon. But this is not just a mountain. Ancient texts call it something else, the place where heaven fell. According to Genesis, the sons of God came down to earth, not angels of light, but watchers, beings who crossed a forbidden boundary between heaven and mankind. The Book of Enoch says they chose Hermon as their landing place, 200 of them descending through the clouds like fire from the sky. They made a pact, a rebellion against God. They swore an oath right here on this mountain, and from that moment, the world changed forever. They taught humanity secrets, war, weapons, sorcery, forbidden knowledge, knowledge mankind was never meant to have. Then something terrifying happened. The Nephilim, giants, half human, half fallen. Violence covered the earth. Corruption spread like disease. Ancient civilizations remembered this place as cursed, a gateway, a scar between heaven and earth. Even today, locals whisper strange stories about Hermon, because some believe this is where the war truly began, where angels fell, where giants rose, where heaven touched earth and broke it. Mount Hermon, not just a mountain, but the place heaven fell.